My experience has been a tough one where I've had to work like twice as hard and push myself to my limits along with my team members to ensure that we secure consecutive wins. I'm very, very confident. I believe in myself, I believe in my team members, I believe in my coaches, and I believe in my God that we will surely win.
Moving from preliminaries to finals, it hasn't been easy. It has been tough, challenging, engaging, and also interesting. We've got to meet with many states, we've got a lot of experiences, and we are hoping on God to even win the finals.
So far we have been working really hard, very, very hard, and we hope that by the grace of God we'll be able to deliver. Anyways, I know that we will deliver, but the preparation so far has been going great, and just expect the best from us tomorrow.
I'm very confident in the sense that I and my team, we have been working towards effective success, and by the grace of God, of course, we are going to win the final. You should expect intercontinental anti-ballistic cross missiles from us to the proposition side, and of course 100% success.
Like I always say, Team Anambra will always give you fire for fire. We know that Team Benue is a strong team, but guess what? Team Anambra is stronger. So expect fire for fire, the best from us, the best and the classiest.
The preparation of my team, Team Benue, has been adequate, and I must sincerely confess that I'm quite satisfied with our preparation, and we are ready to engage, not just to engage, but to defeat our opponents in tomorrow's encounter at the finals and emerge the first position.
Personally, the journey of this debate tournament has been interesting. From the preliminaries, actually we made a lot of sacrifices because we wanted to win this tournament. I mean, we sacrificed our classes, we are currently sacrificing our exams, we are far away from school, we are sacrificing basically these STEM studies to win this tournament. That's why we are ensuring that Anambra will deliver the best we can. We will never let our suffering go in vain.